Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you already saw from the title, I want to show you the free products I received in the last month. The story behind these products is note, I don't want to repeat it in every video. For new people, I will leave a link to a previous video in which I explain where and how I got these goodies. That being said, guys, let's start. To have a more beautiful image and to see the boxes better, I will open this small white envelope first. And inside I have a sample from Osia London, Nutri Bronze Adaptive Sheer Tinted Serum. Is an adaptive bronzing skin tint and anti-aging serum designed to give skin a luminous, healthy holiday glow while tackling aging and complexion concerns. May be worn alone or over makeup. I have only one question about this product: how does it benefit the skin if we apply it over makeup? Let's move to the next envelope. And inside I have an amazing product which I tried in the past. Is from the brand Skinsual. Is a face serum called HA Intensifier Multifunctional Serum to help amplify skin's hyaluronic acid level. Is a face serum that will improve appearance of plumpness and skin texture. As I said, I tried in the past and is a lovely product. The formula is nice, it absorbs quick into the skin, is not sticky, very nice product. And because I like it a lot, I was tempted to buy it. But guys, my excitement didn't last a lot. It was destroyed by the price of this face serum. Let's say it's over my budget. Now let's move to the next envelope, and inside I have a product from the brand Balance Me, Vitamin C Repair Serum. Is a face serum that has a gel texture, is formulated with a cocktail of ingredients that will brighten, hydrate, plump and smooth the skin. Balance Me is a brand that I like. As far as I know, is vegan and cruelty-free brand. In this small box, I have a product that I know well, and I am sure that many of you knows this product. Is from Olaplex, number 3, Hair Perfector. Is a pre-shampoo treatment which must be applied on towel-dried hair, leave on for 10 minutes or longer, and after wash your hair as usual. A very nice product, leaves the hair healthy, shiny and smooth. Like it a lot. Now let's discover what is hidden in this cute box. For this product I paid the delivery charge and it was £4.99. And here I have a full-size face cream from Dr. Botanicals, RE1 Retinol Complex, Skin Firming Complex and Hyaluronic Acid Night Moisturizer. Is a night face cream with 1% retinol complex that will help to reduce the appearance of fine lines, 1% skin firming complex that will firm and lift the skin, and 1% hyaluronic acid which will hydrate the skin. And now it's time to see the goodies from the last and the biggest box received. Is from the brand Groom. I have 5 products here. I didn't pay anything for these products, I only paid for the delivery, which was £4.95. The first product is my favorite product from Groom, is the body wash bar. Creamy and caring body wash bar, handmade with nourishing coconut oil and skin-friendly ingredients, 100% natural product. Is a lovely product, guys, that smells nice, it doesn't dry the skin and leaves it soft and nourished. The next product is another favorite, is the shampoo bar made with coconut oil to hydrate hair and leave it silky, smooth and smelling wonderful. I am totally agree with this description. A great shampoo bar that smells delicious. I will not recommend it if you have oily hair. This may not be the best product for you. Next product is new for me, is the Gentle Face Wash. A gentle daily face wash, kind with skin and tough with dirt and impurities. Is vegan and cruelty free and is made with 96% naturally derived ingredients. Next I have Groom Altruist SPF 30 face sunscreen, high UVA protection and water resistant. Is a lightweight, fragrance-free and non-greasy sunscreen, free from artificial colors, synthetic fragrances, parabens, sulfates, SLS, EDTA, and petrochemicals. A very interesting product, guys. I'm curious to try it. I looked on Groom website and they have the sunscreen with SPF 50. I think if I will like this one, definitely I will order the sunscreen with SPF 50 to try. And the last product received is the Nourishing Face Oil, Repair and Protect. Works to increase collagen production, defend against free radicals and UVB rays, improves elasticity and brightens the skin. Another product that made me curious, I will try it for sure. These are all the products I received in the last month, and guys, I am thrilled with everything I have here. I can't wait to use them. Okay, beautiful people, that was everything for today. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!